Alright, what's up YouTube? It's been a little minute since y'all even seen my face. Got some new things coming. I know y'all can see in the background. You know, I'm in a different truck. Different truck, different company. Where I was at was not working out. Not trying to talk bad. I'm not the person to talk bad about nobody really behind their backs, unlike some that I know. You know, we left. I say we because I told y'all in another video, it was a live, that I had somebody I was going team with, and I'm with the person now, but they're in the store. So we left that company, and all of a sudden now they're making little remarks. It was fine. I don't care. Talk to whatever. But there'll be a truck tour coming. There'll be I'll give you all the details and everything. Reveal the company later. This company here, y'all. Let's just say my final stop. I'm probably retiring here. Me and my teammate, we're probably going to retire, both retire here. I've never had a company treat me like this. And I got the glasses on above. Oh, this is a company hat, but kind of hiding it. But I can give you a little details now. It's reefer. Something I've always wanted to try. Done flatbed, done dry van. Now I'm going for reefer. They also have tanker division. They have end dump, I believe it is. What they call it, a gut run, whatever. It's not an end dump, it's a belly dump or whatever, but they have a lot of options here, and the people are freaking amazing. I haven't met one rude person at all. So I just want to give y'all, you know, a little update on what's going on. But truck tour will come shortly. In the next couple days, probably this weekend. I got my first load coming out. Missouri, going up to St. Louis. Well, it's around the picking up here in the Osho, going up to St. Louis, and then coming back, and then tomorrow going down by the house. So after I get everything situated, the truck all situated, I'll do a video for a truck tour. Speechless, y'all. Speechless. The other companies that I was with, they would put you in a new truck if you were team, but nothing like this. This is like, if you passed by my terminal, you would swear we were owner-op. Just the variety of trucks they have, you would swear they were owner-op. They don't have just one or two different kinds of trucks. They have like 4 different kinds of trucks that they got. But yeah, I speechless. Dispatch is awesome. Recruiting is awesome. The owner is awesome. The VP is awesome. I've made them all. So anybody new sees this video, and once you see the, you know, I stick around for the update, and if something that you think you would want to do, just leave a message in the comments. And then I'll get you some details. You need 2 years experience, but I'm not sure about what if you have to have any reefer experience, but the teammate that I have, he has all of it. So that's why I'm teaming with him. He's basically going to be teaching me about the reefer. Do that for about a couple of weeks, and then we'll actually get the team. So, but just want to give y'all a little update. So this is not going to be a long video. But yeah, if you like the video, you know what to do, and see you in the next one. Peace.